Want to know how to add spacer on your website in WordPress? In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now first things first, simply open up your WordPress.com dashboard and make sure you are under your site's WP admin. Now once you're there, here just simply hit towards pages or post. Anything works. So once you're under pages, you can just simply create a page or just open up an existing one. Now once you've opened up your page, right here on the top left side you should see this blue plus icon. Just simply select it and scroll down until you see spacers. Now right here under design you should be seeing spacers. Just simply select it and you can just drag it to wherever you want. So this is a current spacer right here, as you can see. So we can just drag it to upwards to create a new space between text just like this. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can do it multiple times by just simply dragging and dropping it just like this around here, and then creating more spaces. Make sure to save it right here and you're good. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.